to Judah's Wonderful World. Today we are making peanut butter crunchy blob monsters. Now this is a pretty easy recipe, so hopefully nothing goes wrong and you can make these at home too. But yeah, I guess let's make them. So first, I'll explain what you need. You need chocolate chips, corn flakes, everyone's favorite breakfast cereal, sugar, the best ingredient of all, light corn syrup, is apparently what that is, and crunchy peanut butter. And then we have all our containers. We have like a quart container and then a cup and 3/4 of a cup. But it's easy. So let's start. So first we're gonna start off by measuring out our corn flakes. And we do this first pretty much so your mixture that you'll make later will not go cold while you're measuring out corn flakes. But you are going to need 6 cups of corn flakes. So we need to fill this up to here first. There we go. Pretty good. Now we're gonna pour this in this bowl. Corn flakes. Now we need another half of it filled with corn flakes. There we go. That's pretty good. Corn flakes. See, look, see, it's a quart. Now put that back on there. All right. Now that that's done, we're gonna scoot these cornflakes to the side. We are going to need the corn syrup. We're going to need the parchment paper, which we are going to go ahead and spread out. So just spread that out here. That much. Yeah. As you can see, I've definitely made these before. I'm definitely not depending on the camera person to help me make these. There we go, parchment paper. Wax paper would work too, apparently, but there we go. I'll keep that down. Now you need your corn syrup and your sugar.
Sugar first.
Oh, you need your sugar first. So, we're going to need a cup of sugar. See, that says a cup. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says cup. There we go. I need better baking skills. I don't even know if this counts as baking either. So you're gonna come over here. You have a little pot, and you're gonna pour your sugar in there. Now you have a cup of sugar. And then you're done with your sugar. You can just set that to the side. Put it by the cornflakes. Now, we're just gonna reuse this one. We're going to open up our corn syrup. It's white, so that means it's healthier, I guess. I don't know. And we're just gonna fill this up without trying to make a mess. This is coming out slowly. Wow, are we using this entire bottle? This is gonna be a lot of corn syrup. I was not expecting to use this much corn syrup. Come on. Doing great there, bottle. It's not flooded. That's probably good enough. Let's not make a mess. Now that you have your corn syrup, we're gonna carefully bring this over here. We're gonna pour it into our sugar. And try to get all that in there, I guess. And now you have your mixture stuff, so we're just gonna put this in the sink. Try not to make a mess. Now, you're going to turn it to your stove to high and let that boil. Oh, and now you are going to mix it. So you're gonna do this, I guess. Ooh, mixing. It's interesting. So, while you mix this, don't burn it, I guess, or whatever. You can tell I've definitely made these before I say again. Oh, it's changing consistency big time. It's kind of like a jelly, I guess. Never made jelly, so you can't ask me that either, but well, that's fun. We ought to do this more often. So, comment down below what you're gonna be for Halloween. Comment down below what we should make next. And please don't make it too complicated, because as you can see, I don't have much cooking experience. Oh wow, that really changes consistency. Alright, so you see how it's bubbling around the edges? Just stir gently after a while. After you have it really mixed, just stir gently, and as it starts to bubble around the edges, that means you're getting close. And you don't have to stir as much as you did anymore. If you need to let that sit a bit, it'll be fine. And just let it bubble around the edges. No. So I grabbed an oven mitt because the spoon was getting very hot, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to keep as much of the mixture in the rest, in like the main part of it, and as it starts to bubble in the middle like it is now, then you're good. So we're gonna turn it off, and we'll just let that sit for a bit. Now we're gonna come back over. We have our Rice Krispies here.
What do you have there?
Oh, not our Rice Krispies. What kind of cereal is this? Cornflakes! We have our cornflakes! How could I forget it's cornflakes? Not Rice Krispies. Getting the wrong cereal dessert mixed up. So,
Peanut butter.
peanut butter.
You need peanut butter.
Oh, we need peanut butter! Yeah, I am definitely not. So we're gonna put the peanut butter in there, right? Or...
Yeah.
Okay. We need someone to put that in.
How much peanut butter do you need?
How much peanut butter do we need? We need 3/4. No. We need. We need 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Now, we're going to dish out some peanut butter. Comment down below. Again, I'm having you comment, but crunchy or creamy? Ooh, that's like. These are the questions in life. Honestly, I could just take a spoon to a jar of any kind of peanut butter, except for the kind that has jam in it, because that's disgusting. Like, what's wrong? Like, whoever came up with that, I get what they're going at, but still, there is something wrong with that. Are we sure we have enough peanut butter in here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. As long as we have enough peanut butter. We're gonna put this one in now. We got a new disher to make it easier, but this is, so just put your peanut butter in your mixture. Making messes here. So we're putting our second thing of peanut butter in here. And so once you have all your peanut butter, this took about like an entire jar of peanut butter, which is surprising to me, but I guess it's gonna be good, so that's all that matters. So once we have all our peanut butter in here, 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Oh, now we need to stir again. Shout out to my mom for helping me make this recipe, because I'm pretty sure like I would have been a mess even just following the recipe if she wasn't here. But so after we mix this around, come look at it. It looks really cool. it looks like a peanut butter gel thing. So after we mix this around, we're gonna take this over here. That's hot. So after we mix this around, we're gonna pour this into your cornflakes and scrape it on out like this. And so now that we have that, we're just gonna set this over here for right now. Let it cool off. We're gonna mix again. More mixing. A wise man once said, mixing is 75% of baking. And who that wise man was, I don't know. Did I just pull that phrase out of nowhere? Yes, I did. I completely made that up. So, and I'm pretty sure that probably like the actual oven part is 75% of baking, but you know, icing takes a lot too. But, oh wow. So now you really see the peanut butter crunchy form thing. So you have your, see, so you hear that? That's the crunch, and then you sauce the peanut butter, and so that's how you make the peanut butter crunchies. It's math. Peanut butter plus crunchy equals peanut butter crunchy. So once you make sure you have it really stirred good, because you want the cornflakes to stay on there. But once you have those, once you have it all stirred together pretty good, what do you say, that's good. Once you have it stirred together real good, we'll just
leave it in there.
Leave it in there. And we are going to come over to our parchment paper. We have a spoon. See this? It's an ordinary spoon, nothing special. So you're gonna like scoop your peanut butter crunchies out one at a time. Unless if you have 2 spoons, I guess you could do that, but
You can use your finger to make it blob.
Just make it glob together, I guess. Ooh, they're hot. Warm peanut butter crunchies are really good, so just eat them all after you're done. Don't save them. Do you have a party going to? Nah. You just eat them. So that's pretty globby, I guess. I'm gonna take some more. And this is the most tedious part, which means we probably will just cut through most of this, and through the magic of editing, you will see this full parchment paper. There'll be globs and globs of peanut butter crunchies. Wow, this is harder than I thought it would be. Get them globbed together. Alright. We globbed them together now. So now that you have them kind of globbed together like that, there we go. You know what? This little rubble piece go in my mouth. So, now that you have them globbed together, you can go on to the chocolate chips. And this is what makes them Halloween. So, you gotta be kidding me, it's scissors! You know, oh there, we got a cut. Phew. Okay. Now that we have chocolate chips, here's what's gonna make them Halloween. Boop. It has eyes now, see? Cute little eyes. So, now you have blob monsters. We're gonna go ahead and fill all of them in. Considering this part might be tedious too, we might just have to cut this part down too. But gotta be kidding me. It's a day, people. Alright, so we finished our blob monsters. And I like how they came out. They're nice. So, you can see they have little eyes. Isn't that cute? If you decide to make these chocolate chips or not, I mean the point is to have chocolate chips, but you can just make peanut butter crunchies anytime. I need to thank my grandmother in Texas because she gave my mother the recipe. So that was how we were able to make these. Now again, if you make these, take a picture, put it on Instagram, and then use the hashtag Judah's Wonderful World of Cooking. Yes. Yeah, because cooking makes it food, and then my YouTube, you get it, right? Okay, as long as you people get it out there. So, these people don't have eyes, Mom. Well, a few of them end up eyeless. Here we go, we'll put one in. You can also make them cyclops by only giving them one eye. Or you could give them 3 eyes. Or you could just polka dot them for who knows what reason. But I mean, the point is they'll taste good and you can bring them to a Halloween party, I guess. But yeah. Here you go. I just ate some chocolate chips. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share. So bye.